Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an OpenAI API key and connect it with N8N. This integration will allow you to leverage OpenAI's powerful language models directly within your N8N workflows, opening up endless automation possibilities. Let's get started. First, head over to n8n.io and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your N8N dashboard. From here, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your automation. You'll now be directed to the N8N Workflow Editor. At this point, you'll notice two options for creating your workflow. You can either build manually by selecting the Add First Step option, or you can use the Build with AI feature. Either approach works, but the manual route gives you more control over each component of your workflow. To connect OpenAI within your N8N environment, right-click anywhere on your workflow editor screen. This will prompt a menu to appear, and from there, click on Add Node. A right side panel will slide open, presenting you with a search bar. Type OpenAI into this search field, and you'll see the OpenAI node appear as the only result. Click on it. You'll then be presented with several trigger options to choose from. While you can select any of these depending on your specific needs, for this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and use the message a model option. Once you've selected that, a parameter window will open up. This is where the connection process begins. Look for the field labeled credential to connect with and click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the options that appear, select Create New Credential. You'll notice that it requires an API key to proceed, which we'll obtain in the next steps. Now open a new browser tab and navigate to openai.com/API. Once the page loads, locate the login button positioned at the top right corner of your screen, hover your cursor over it, and click on API Platform. If this is your first time accessing the platform, OpenAI might prompt you to agree to their data consent policy. Simply click I agree to continue. After that, you'll arrive at the main platform page. Direct your attention to the right side panel where you'll find an option labeled API Keys. Click on it to proceed. On the API Keys page, look toward the top right section of your screen for the Create New Secret Key button, which is marked with a plus sign. Click on it, and a small window titled Create Key will pop up. Fill in the required fields with the necessary information. Then click on Create Secret Key. An API key will be generated and displayed on your screen. Click on the key to copy it to your clipboard, then switch back to your N8N credential window where you left off earlier. Now simply paste the API key you just copied into the API field within the N8N credential window. Once you've done that, click on Save to finalize the connection. Your OpenAI credentials are now securely stored in N8N, and you're all set to start building powerful AI-driven automations. And that's it. You've successfully created an OpenAI API key and connected it with N8N, enabling you to incorporate advanced AI capabilities into your workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.